What's up, guys? In this video I was going to go through the Decentraland project update on July 10th, which was, well, it's today for a lot of people in America. It was yesterday for me in Australia. So every couple of weeks or so, Decentraland do a project update, which is usually a kind of small blog post outlining the changes and the updates that they've done to the system, to the marketplace, to the overall work of Decentraland in general. But I thought I'd make a bit of a video going through the whole process myself and showing you guys a video form of the updates. So there's been an update in the marketplace as usual. There's been two big improvements. One, you can now, well, you should be able to, but it's not showing up on mine at the moment, maybe because I've got to clear the cookies or something. But any district parcels will be colored differently. So any connected parcels, um, eventually you'll be able to sell parcels as a complete unit. So instead of selling them individual piece by piece, you can sell 20 to 30 parcels at a time at a bulk price, which is I'm waiting to do this on this um, kind of bulk parcel estate. It's going to be called or referred to as this bulk estate. I'm waiting for it to be, that feature to be available so I can sell this whole estate. There are other estates around Decentraland. You can see there's like a small one there. There is some bigger ones around the places. There's a really big one over here, which will probably benefit from this feature as well. When it loads, you'll be able to see. But eventually, as you can see, there's another one there. I think it's over here. But eventually, you will be able to, as you can see, this, I don't know how many parcels that is. That's 5 times 10, maybe 50. Um, that's 5 times 10, maybe 50 parcels. Yeah, so you'll eventually be able to sell these as bulk, which will be a lot more better for probably companies that want to set up shop with bigger parcels. Okay, that's one update. Another update has just been the functionality or ability to clear your history of your transaction activity. So not that big of an improvement, but an improvement nonetheless. You'll be able to clear your history, click confirm it. It'll clear all this uncongesting your activity page. Then, so that's the updates on the marketplace. Then they are going through kind of like a voting platform that is being used to approve the initial community district's proposals. So each district is creating a document and getting their document approved by the members that have staked their land in those districts, and they are using, where is it? Hopefully I didn't close it. There it is. They're using Agora to do that. So you can see a bunch of votes have come in for each district, approving or disapproving the plan, and eventually if the majority approves, then they're going to go ahead with the proposal plan. So you can click the proposal and read the document, read the initial project. You can see how many people voted yes, you can see how many people voted no. You can cast your vote even if you are a member or not. You can even see how many people contributed based on, once you click in, you can see who contributed what, and how much contributions came in. But yep, so that voting system is still underway. You can see 8 days left, different districts, I think. I don't know if they're all finishing at the same time. Nope, yep, they're all finishing at the same time. So you'll be able to vote on each district, basically. That's Agora. What else do we have? What else have we done? Updates to the SDK, so the software developer kit. I don't really dabble much with this. This is more for the dev people that are creating, activities and models that they'll be importing onto their lands as scenes, but the documents have there's some documents that are out to that you can visit and learn. Where are they? Here we go. Building scenes, so you can go to some sample scenes. Installing um, some sample scenes. You can once you've installed the kind of the software to view these scenes, you can install these samples and see how they look, and then you can look at the guides, etc. Then there's more guides on what is Decentraland in general. Um, there's a lot more documentation. Where's the documentation? You can read the full answer. Jump out into the new docs. So if you were to click here and you're a new investor, particularly if you're a new investor, you can check out what is Decentraland, building scenes, the SDK, the marketplace introduction on how to work around the marketplace. So all the documentation is there if you are a new investor or an old investor. So then, what other updates you have are, I guess, what the leads, the tech leads are doing, or the project leads, Esteban and Ari, what they've been up to. They've gone around and done a meetup in London about, I think it was a few days ago. This is last week, Monday. That was a few days ago or a whole week ago. So that happened. Then they've got another one happening in Berlin. So they're kind of traveling all around the world. But I think this one in particular is being hosted online. So anyone around the world can view this because it'll be viewed over here on Wednesday, 11th of July, which is today actually. Um, G- GMT +1, which currently it is 5:10 a.m. So about in 12 hours, you'll be able to view the talk. And what else do we have? I think that's it for now. So we got that. Yeah, that's it for now. So I think moving forward, there's still a few things to be addressed. Obviously, selling estates. There's more improvements to the software developer kit that will be made. But it's good to see the community consistently working to making the overall experience better for different types of investors.